Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be trying to install this diffuser. Now it comes, I got ordered 2 of them, so it'll cover the whole rear end of the car. You got a centerpiece and 2 side pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together one set of the diffusers to show you how to put it together, and then I'm going to do the other one, and then we'll go outside and test fit to see what I have to trim, because I know the exhaust system might have an interference issue toward the back end. I might have to cut a corner off in the back so the exhaust pipe don't hit it. But first thing first, I'm going to put this thing together and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the left and the right side. The first thing you do is, you can see it has these notches. Well, these go together, as you can see right here. Just snap them together, and when you put those together, there are some holes here, 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 and here. The centerpiece goes right there and has bolts supplied right here to hold all 3 pieces together once you snap these 2 together in these little indentations. So I'm gonna put these 2 together. I'm gonna put the centerpiece right here, and I'm gonna thread them all together with the holes and these supplied bolts. Okay, and now it's together. I put these 2 pieces together, and I bolted the centerpiece together with the supplied screws, and now it's one piece, as you can see here. I'm going to have to tighten these down a little bit more. I just hand tighten them so I can test fit everything, but everything lines up. This one side, this one diffuser is together. Now I'm going to do the other diffuser. After I tighten these bolts up, I'm going to do the other diffuser, put those 2 together, and then I'm going to go outside and test fit it and see what kind of trimming, if any, I will need. More likely, I'll probably have to trim a little bit off this corner because the exhaust kind of goes like that on the side. But I won't know until I center everything and see where everything lines up. Now let me put the other side together. Okay, this is the second diffuser I got it put together. It looks pretty good. I just got to tighten these 6 bolts down, and then we're going to go outside and test fit this. I'm going to see if I can use the fasteners supplied. Basically drill a few holes and then mount it that way. Or I might just use rivets. I'm not sure yet. But it's time to go outside and test fit this. Okay, we found a fitment issue. I can put the diffuser on both sides. There's room between the tailpipes, but I can't put it flush because of these 2 brackets that's right here. One right here and one right there. So what I'm about to do is measure where the diffuser meets this, and I gotta cut a rectangle so it will slide right through the diffuser and mount flush here, so I can mount everything and everything will mount up and line up right. So I'm gonna head over to the hardware store, get me a cutting wheel, then I'm gonna measure where the diffuser meets this and cut out a rectangle so I can slide the diffuser all the way on, and the same thing on the diffuser on this side. Okay, this is the passenger side diffuser. I'll have to cut a notch right here so I can have that one part go through so it can land flush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out, then I'm going to fit it again, see where I need to drill my holes to mount it in the back, and we'll see if we can make this thing fit. Okay, I just open up that area so that piece of the bracket can go through. Once you mount it, you won't even see it. So let me go outside and see how it fits. Okay, we got half of it on. We have a bolt here, and one toward the back. Fill that pretty good. Now we gotta get the other side. And there they are. It took two of them put together, but it turned out pretty good. Right on the tailpipes on the outside. Let me just wash this car up because the car is really dirty. And let's see what it looks like with the car washed. And here we go. Not bad. It took two of them though to make one, but it came out pretty good. Until next video, I see you.